So if you're looking to sign up for GoHighLevel trial for the first time and you're looking for the best affiliate offer out there, I got you covered. And look, this is not a video to review the software. This is for someone who actually done the research and decide to sign up for the 30-day trial already. So without further ado, let's get on to it. We're gonna be adding our own affiliate bonus offer on top of our partnership offer with GoHighLevel to make sure that this is going to be the best package for someone that's just starting out brand new and know nothing about the software. So make sure that you stick until the end of this video to see how you can get access to this. So here is a simple breakdown, right? I want to show you the before and the after. Before, we normally give the generic 30-day trial, weekly support call, the hybrid SaaS course, and the SaaS snapshot, as well as the one-on-one onboarding. But it's only just a one-time onboarding. Right now, we're partnering up with HighLevel team to make sure that we're doing more and we're giving out way more value than this to make sure that people are sticking after the 30-day trial. So first of all, this is the new affiliate offer. You're gonna get all of the above, right? So all of this, you're still gonna get it, and this is gonna be stuff on top of it. You are going to get the update version of our hybrid SaaS course, right? So that's the hybrid SaaS 2.0. And you're gonna get access to our conversation AI Snapshot. I will leave a link to a watchable YouTube video right here so you know exactly what the snapshot is all about. It's pretty much a done for you AI appointment booking bot, right? You just have to go in there and change a few scripts and a few prompts and it will work for your industry. We're gonna give you also our one-click onboarding snapshot so you can focus more on getting clients into your business instead of worrying about onboarding them and fulfill them. Also, our client result module, again, you're gonna get access to our proven ad swipe and step-by-step ad setup walkthrough. Our goal is to make sure that you have access to resource to get result for your client as soon as possible and get that setup out of the way as fast as possible so you can focus on acquiring the next client. And number 6, you're gonna get access to my 10K affiliate passive income challenge, training plus promotion strategy plus snapshot included. And we're obviously one of the affiliate partner with GoHighLevel. We'll make 10K plus from this income revenue ourselves. And we wanna show you how to do that with the snapshot pre-install and the training pre-install. We're gonna show you how to promote the GoHighLevel software completely from scratch to cold audience, even if you're just starting out. Okay, and you're going to get access to my reputation management software. That's gonna be the 5-star Google review campaign step-by-step walkthrough, right? This is one of the hottest things that you can sell from a GoHighLevel SaaS, and you're gonna get access to the real estate snapshot. And it's one of the most viewed video on this channel, including SMS, email workflow written by a realtor myself. So I actually paid a real estate agent to come sit down and write all this content for me, right? And the last thing is that I want to show you how I personally live in Thailand with zero tax, right? How you set up a business structure, company structure, and cash flow that allow you to live with time, location, and money freedom, paying close to zero tax, or if not zero tax itself, right? And obviously you're gonna get access to the 30-day trial to all of their plan, and that is what it looked like if you click on the link somewhere around this video. So we have a chat with HighLevel. They say that they don't normally give this out to everyone. The 30-day plan is only for the SaaS mode, which is the $497. You probably can see that all around YouTube where people are offering you a 30-day plan, but it's lead to $497. We actually will get access. So you actually can get access to the 30-day trial even on a smaller plan. That's including the 97 and the 297. All right, and the most important thing that we see when people just signed up is that they need that hands-on and real human contact. So you're gonna get a free kickoff call from the HighLevel onboarding team, and this is an actual human that you can speak to, ask real-time question. It's not a webinar, it's not a pre-recorded training video. You will get to speak to a person that personally gonna be onboarding you and answer any question that you need. And obviously, it's not just a one-time thing. You're gonna get access to the support call all the time, right? 24/7, right? Zoom support. So just to give you a snapshot, this is what it looked like after you sign up. You will get an email to our community, including our course, and you will get access to all this course packed together with just one login, right? And it's not just a course, guys. Some of it is just a training video, tell you how to set up Snapshot, it's templates, and a lot of it is also training how to set up Facebook to get your client result. So how to get access to this? You have to use this link, and more importantly, you have to do it in an incognito window. You must do this process correctly to receive all the bonus, right? I have shot a clear video instruction right here, but basically what you need to do, guys, is just select this link, this URL, and you want to copy this link and open an incognito window and actually paste this link right here. That will lead you to the special partner sign up page between our team and HighLevel. And you can see here, if you scroll all the way down, you will get access to the 30-day trial for all of the plan. But I would highly recommend that you sign up for the $497 for the 30-day trial, so you can get access to all of the feature, and then you can downgrade or change your plan later on anyway. It doesn't make any difference, because if you're just signing up for the 97, you just only have access to limited access. You might as well just do this and then downgrade to 97 later on if you need to. Okay, so that's the proper way to do it. The reason why we want to do this is that we want to make sure that there's no cookie or ad blocker or anything that might interfere with the sign up process. Now we're going to go through a few FAQ here to make sure that everyone is on the same page. Firstly, all access will be revoked if you cancel your current affiliate GHL account. With us, we're just gonna revoke the membership. Secondly, you want to make sure that you do this correctly in an incognito window. We've just gone through that, so we're going to skip that. And you also want to make sure that you check your spam email carefully and check the email that you actually use to sign up, because this whole thing is a webhook with automation. It's going to be sending the email to the address that you use to sign up, and make sure that you check the spam inbox or the junk folder to make sure that it doesn't land over there. And like I said, if your trial is finishing soon but you still haven't landed any client for some reason, it's very unlikely. If you follow our step-by-step proven course, you should minimum get 1 to 2 clients in your 30-day trial. But if this is the unlikely event that has happened to you, you can go to setting, billing, under subscription, and click modify subscription. You can see here in the screenshot, I'm going to move it here, and then you can downgrade from $497 to $97 or $297, right? So I wouldn't recommend that you would cancel it and set up a new account, because then you have to set up everything all over again. And if you already have a GoHighLevel of 97 and 297 plan, you can still receive a bonus by simply click this link again and click upgrade. Again, on top here, you could just upgrade now, and you can just click this button and put your relationship number right here. So you want to upgrade to the 497 and have your relationship number right here. There's an instruction on how to find your relationship number, so we're not going to go through that in this video. You want to actually send us a Loom video of you filling out this form, because we don't get notification about the upgrade. So the Loom should show the relationship number and other important stuff like you clicking and submitting the form. So if you already signed up to GoHighLevel under someone else's affiliate and you feel like your affiliate is not giving you the right support and the right help for you to succeed, first, I want to encourage you to reach out to your affiliate. We don't encourage affiliate switching. However, as CEO of your business, it's your responsibility and your decision to make sure that you pick the best route and the best program to make sure that your SaaS, your software business, is succeeding, right? So you could pay bill with it, so you can help your family with it, right? So we obviously don't encourage you to do that. But if it comes down to it and you're reaching out, there's no one replying to you, they're not giving what they promised to give, you obviously can switch by obviously sign up with this link again using a different email, right? And then obviously cancel your old account. That's what we recommend that you do. And on top of that, we have a short training that will show you how to transfer everything that you build on the current account to the new account very quickly by resetting your SMS and your email. So it's not a big deal to transfer over. And lastly, if you think there's been a mistake and you have done everything correctly but haven't received any bonus, we'll actually have a link here for you to troubleshoot it. So first, you want to go to the blue icon on the top right, and you want to chat with your support, and you want to click affiliate and go to live chat, and actually just following the step on this page, right? This page is actually linked here. So on the first option, try to troubleshoot it by reaching out to GoHighLevel support or reaching out to us. But this is a step that you want to follow, okay? So just follow it to step 8 and step 9, and HighLevel support should be able to help you address and resolve this issue. We also mentioned it quite briefly here, but that is probably all of the affiliate FAQ. Now, if you're following this step, there shouldn't be any trouble getting access to all of this bonus, because all of the question is covered. If you want to reach out to me directly, about any questions, make sure that you check the link in the description and get a one-on-one call with me. This is probably the best affiliate offer out there, given that we used to charge thousands and thousands of dollars for this. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment if you have any other question. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next one. Hey guys, if you enjoy watching the video, make sure that you are also checking out this content right there.